I have a sample data where I have the names, designation, attendance, leave, allowance, salary, and total amount for IT employees. So I have this data for the month of January and February. You can see here it is populated. Now I want the consolidated data for the month of March. How to get the consolidated data? To get the consolidated data, I will use this formula is equal to, so D3 plus D16. So this is the consolidated formula, consolidated value. I will drag and drop it for the rest of the cells. You can see it is auto-populated, and similarly for all other cells. So this is the consolidated salary, consolidated data. So which will add all the salaries and it will give it to me. Hence, in case I have used any formula here, it will be used and it will be used to calculate the final amount. So your consolidated salary means the total salary. So this is actually the consolidated salary, which is nothing but the total salary. Total salaries for it is a combination of January and February salaries. So to get the sum of, so you have some salaries of employees from January to December, and I have a consolidated sheet. I want to calculate the total of all the data present in these sheets from January to December. So for that, what I can do is I can do equal to, so this one January plus, and then February this cell plus, and then in March this cell. Like this I can go on. But if I have too many cells, say only for 3 months I calculated. If I have too many cells, like if I have, sorry, if I have too many sheets, worksheets, it will be difficult to calculate. So what I can do this. So type equal to, I'll type equal to, I'll select January. So I'll give is equal to some function. So for number 1, I'll give January. So and then holding the shift key, I'll click on December worksheet. You can see here January 2024 to December 2024, and then click on D2. This is the reference cell, and then close parenthesis. So now you can see this is the consolidated attendance from January to 2025, January 2024 to December 2024. So if I drag and drop it, I'll get the attendance for all other employees. Similarly, I will drag it horizontally. I'll get the rest of the data. I'll get the rest of the data. See, a reference cell must be in the same position in every sheet. So here, January, the same reference cell must be used in every sheet. Reference cell must be the same in every sheet. I have a few Excel sheets here. See, this Excel sheet it belongs to has the data of products sold and products remaining and the sale amount in CHF. So these are the products actually. I have around 100 products. So this belongs to Zurich region. Similarly, there are several other regions: Geneva, Basel, Bern, Lausanne, and this is the consolidation sheet. So around I have 5 sheets, 5 regions. So data belonging to 5 regions: Zurich, Geneva, Basel, Bern, and Lausanne. So this is the consolidated worksheet. So I want to add the data from all the worksheets from all the regions. So for that I will put a equal to sign here. I'll select Zurich and select the first data, that is C2. So data belonging to the Zurich Excel sheet, and this is the first data. So this is in the cell C2. To this I will add to this I will add corresponding entries in other corresponding cells in other Excel sheet, say in other regions, that is in Geneva. You can see in the formula bar it is getting added. I am adding it with a plus sign. I have added Geneva. I will add Basel and a plus sign. Bern, plus sign, and Lawson, and close parenthesis, and press enter. See here, I should have given a parenthesis. I have not given a parenthesis here. I'll put a parenthesis here and I will press enter. You can see now it added all the data from all the Excel sheets. See, but you can observe that the cell is fixed here. If I drag and drop it, I will get the same data. So what I need to do here is, if I drag and drop, I will get the same data here. You can see I will get the same result because the cell is fixed, but cell has to change. Here the cells are fixed. So I will remove all the dollar signs here, means I will make it, I'll make the C cell to change. So I'll remove the dollar signs here, dollar C, $2. I will remove it, remove the dollar sign, dollar C, $2, dollar C, $2, dollar C, $2, dollar C, $2, press enter. Now if I drag and drop it, I'll get the data for the consolidated data for the other cells also, for the other products. You can see this is the consolidated data for the other products. Similarly, I'll drag it across horizontally. So I'll remove the G column. You can see now it is completely filled. The Excel sheet, the consolidated data sheet is filled with consolidated data from 5 regions. From 5 regions. That is Zurich, Geneva, Basel, Bern, Lausanne. So I have the consolidated sheet here. You can check the formula also here.